Hello everyone. Welcome to Tech Mix. Today I will show you how to fix Hogwarts Legacy Microsoft Visual C++. Now to fix it, go to Browser and open VC Redsit. On this website, scroll down. Here you can see x86 and x64 version. You have to install both the files. x86. Click on it and then run this exe file. Now, if you see the repair option, click on Repair. If you see the Install option, hit Install. Download this x64 file as well, and then run this .exe file. Again, if you see the Repair option, click on Repair. If you see the Install button, hit Install. Click on Yes to allow and let the installation complete. Make sure both the files are installed, x86 and x64. Once done, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can launch the game and you should not receive the error anymore. So, that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my